Alright, sorry guys. I don't know why that stopped. I really need a new phone. This one keeps acting up. I'm gonna try to do it without the flash. See if that works better.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't have that glare.
But before it stopped, guys, you know, that was another reason that we wanted to start doing videos too, is, you know, just like she said, she's the best thing that's happened to me too. And, you know, the town we live in is such a shitty place. And, you know, people, we're just trying to show people that everybody has to work, everybody has their lives and bullshit going on. But, you know, you gotta cherish each other. You know, there's a lot of...
Oops, sorry.
Is it still going from last time?
Yeah, I just slid my phone. Oh,
Okay, did you hear that though?
when I yawned.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, look, you know.
Cherish each other.
Yeah, you guys gotta cherish each other, and she's taught me a lot of that. She's taught me a lot of great things. And we just really we want you guys, everybody, to see that you can have a good time. Good time without the crap. Crap over. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I think we got a bunch
It's
of
Michael, I'm
critters.
telling you, he's waiting.
Come on, brother. I got a razor on me.
Razor fight?
I'll cut his finger off. Isn't he the one that grows them back?
No.
Who is that? The one killer that grows them back.
There's a few of them.
Huh?
There's a few. Oh. Oh, guys. I'm gonna die.
Babe, you're not gonna die.
Yep.
This is so pretty. I love it out here.
It is. I just get tired all of a sudden for some reason. What's attractive?
Yeah, I know. I don't understand why they don't hide that stuff.
It's cool though. I mean, maybe they add it in their tours, like talk about it. What it does. It looks like they're water tanks for something.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Well water.
You wanna go look at it? We'll see what it is. Is it still running, babe?
Probably.
Doesn't it sound like it's even running? They're working. Usually stuff like that, when it's running, they keep it in good shape.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm dying, babe.
Babe, you're not dying. You're good. You are beautiful. Tell them about the gnome village up there.
The gnome village.
Yeah.
What gnome village?
In front of the thing. In front of the building. That little...
You mean like in the garden?
Yeah. Well, not the vegetable garden. It doesn't look like a garden.
No, the flower garden.
Yeah, it looks like a gnome village.
Gnome village. Josh has a thing about gnomes.
Listen, they're out there. You gotta have faith.
You gotta have faith.
There's a bunch of things out there, I bet. Gnomes. Leprechauns. Oh yeah, they're all there. At least I'm wishing. I'm hoping.
That'd be awesome.
Hell yeah.
If you get some gold.
Whoop his little ass.
Yeah.
He's still here. Oh God. I bet you there's candy in that room.
You're dark.
It probably is.
Oh, we finally got to the parking lot. The parking lot. I wonder if there's another car still here from that guy.
Yeah, that would be creepy. That'd be awesome. Because that means he's probably been behind us this whole time. I'm telling you, I get it.
Stalkers.
You can't get out there.
Oh. Yeah, we'll have to go around the fence.
Hey, will the wagon fit around the fence?
Right there, babe. It'll fit. Right over here. It's gonna have to fit.
Oh, babe, we can walk around the other way. I don't think it's going to fit.
Why? It'll fit. If you can't fit through there,
No, it's not that. No, it's not that bad.
how did it bring us to there, though?
Huh?
Which way we want to go?
I don't know. I don't know why. Well, it always comes out here, right?
Yeah, but how did we get to the lot where they have a driveway?
Just, I think
That's
we just
weird.
go around here. See, I don't understand how we ended up last time.
We're still learning this place, guys.
Huh?
I said we're still learning this place.
Yeah, I don't know how many acres there is, but there's a lot here. Push to bus lot.
Path.
What is that? It's a secret bus path.
It is peaceful, guys.
It's not a creek bench.
Where?
Right there.
At first I thought that's an extra waste. I'm like, waste?
Yep, you gotta take a dump. There you go.
Yeah, we'll have to bring you guys down here sometime during the day. That's in the center of the nature center. There, it's really huge and pretty during the day.
Yeah, it is.
It's a great place to bring the kids and stuff too, just to get away. But alright guys, until the next video, we'll see ya.
Later.